Okay, another homemade go-kart build. I have some half-inch pipe for the frame, a 5/8 bar for the steering shaft, a 3/8 bar to make the pedals, some 5/16 bars to make the tie rods, and these pins to make the ends of the tie rods. That's for the throttle return spring, bolts for the spindle and rear wheels, and kingpin, I guess you call it, and some tabs already cut, and the wheels will be the Harbor Freight wheels. So not a whole lot of money into this so far. That's why I like doing these kind of projects. It really doesn't cost much, and I don't know, it's something to do. I guess I could call this part one or part of part one, but I have to start cutting some of the pipe, and maybe I'll even give some dimensions if anybody's interested, to make one themselves. I'll be right back. Okay, I got my pieces cut. Some of the dimensions, if anybody's interested. The frame rails are 40 inches long. The front axle is 20 inches long. The front bumper, 18. The bumper extensions, or whatever you want to call it, would be 9 inches each. The cross member in between the frame rails, 11 inches. The rear axle is at 23 inches. I have the steering wheel started. This would be for the back of the seat. Oh, and one more dimension. The steering shaft is 19 inches long. So steering shaft 19 inches. Front bumper 18, bumper extensions 9, front axle 20. Crossbar, cross brace, whatever cross member, 11 inches. Rear axle 23 inches. And the frame rails are at 40. I guess that's it for now.